Welcome to my first science lab. Today we're going to take a closer look at the layers of the Earth. Let's begin with the outer layer. The crust is the outermost layer of the Earth. It is the layer we live on every day. Even though it feels thick beneath our feet, it is actually very thin compared to the other layers inside the Earth. The crust is made of solid rock. Beneath the crust is the mantle. The mantle is much thicker than the crust above it. It is made of extremely hot rock. Even though it is solid, the heat inside the Earth allows parts of the mantle to slowly move. The core is the deepest layer of the Earth. It sits at the very center of our planet. The core is extremely hot, even hotter than the surface of the sun. It is made mostly of metals like iron and nickel. Now we've seen how the Earth is made of three main layers. The crust is the thin outer layer where we live. Beneath it is the mantle, a thick layer of hot rock. And at the very center is the core, the hottest part of our planet. When we look at the Earth this way, we begin to understand how dynamic our planet truly is. If you'd like to explore more hands-on science lessons, you can find additional activities in the My First Science Lab series. Thanks for learning with me today.